if you can see this, but there's like these hundreds of birds. There's a bunch more over there. All over this Walmart. And when I say all over this Walmart, I mean they are just, you know, all over the place. They're up on the roof, they're on top of people's cars, they're all over the ground. All these cars are covered in these birds. Shopping carts are covered. They're like all over the place. They're can't really focus. There we go. So I don't know what their problem is, but I'm gonna see if I can get a closer look. And I don't know what kinds of birds these are, but ever since I've been trucking, I would always see these birds in Texas or in the deep south. I don't know why people keep coming through here honking the horn. I don't know, everybody does that for some reason. But these birds make the strangest noise. It sounds like a computer glitch. It like doesn't make sense the kind of sounds they make. As you can see them, they're all over all these cars. They better not get on my car, I just washed it. But oh man, look at them on top of that Jeep. They're all just chilling. It's a little scary. They don't seem to be really bothered by my presence. But I gotta say, I have never seen this many of them. I've never seen this many birds, ever. I hope this video isn't too long. Uh-oh, a few of them taking off. Well, there you have it.